filter helps to display records that meet certain criteria. First, we will learn number filter. This filters your Excel data if you only want to display value records that meet certain criteria. Now this is the data we will be using. In the Home tab, under Sort and Filter option, select Filter option. Now you can see a filter applied on the first row. Click on the Sales filter. Click on the Number filters option, then go down to the Greater than option. This is the default filter layout. Enter the value 10,000 and press OK. Now you can see only sales values that are greater than $10,000. In this way, you can try all these options.